Welcome everyone to the channel Interesting Biology. Today we'll be discussing some important questions from the first chapter of class 12 biology and specifically from the topic asexual reproduction. For this video I'm referring to the book Arihant CBSE chapter wise solved papers 2019 to 2020. So this question is, name the vegetative propagules in the following: agave and biophyllum. So the answer to agave is bulbil, and the answer to biophyllum is leaf or adventitious roots. Adventitious buds. Adventitious buds. The next question is, write the name of the organism that is referred to as Star of Bengal. As I said before, the normal name is water hyacinth and the scientific name is Eichhornia crassipes. Give one example of each of a fungus which reproduces by budding and conodia. For budding, the answer is yeast, and for conidia, it is penicillium. So in this way, you have to remember example for each vegetative propagule, because in 1 marks they may ask that what, say the vegetative propagule involved, or say actually the plant or organism involved. So there are a lot of questions of these types, so make sure you remember the boxes which you can find in the notes of the previous videos where they have properly been arranged and you can read from there. So make sure you learn one example from each of the type. So the next question is that how does penicillium reproduce asexually? As mentioned before, penicillium reproduces by conidia, the vegetative propagule, and the process used is vegetative propagation. You can also describe a little bit like writing how conidia, non-motile spores, and things like that. The next question is, name an algae that reproduces asexually through zoospores. So the answer to this is Chlamydomonas. As I mentioned before, refer to the table which I have given in the notes in the previous videos. You have to learn all the examples from there. And sometimes structures like this can also be given, even though in exam structures are given less, but still they may be given, so you need to remember the diagrams also. You can find them in your NCERT book. They're given there. Next are 2 marks questions. That banana crop is produced by farmers without sowing of seeds. Explain how the plant is propagated. The answer to this is also the same. It's vegetative propagation and rhizome is used. But since it is a 2 marks question, you have to describe a little bit. Next question is, unicellular organisms are immortal whereas multicellular organisms are not. Justify. Unicellular organisms mostly reproduce using their whole parental body, which is only considered the reproductive unit. So even if they divide this, the parental body existence may be lost, but still they do not technically die because they continue to live on as daughter cells, whereas multicellular organisms, the same thing does not happen. So in the next video we will be discussing about some important questions from the topic of sexual reproduction. So until then, if you like this video, please give it a like. If you think it was helpful, share with your friends, and if you want more of such type of videos, subscribe to the channel Interesting Biology, and I'll see you all later.